After more than 20 years producing cores, Mandriladora Leiza is today the reference point and national leader in the manufacture of cardboard tubes for faxes, adding machines, scales, cash tills and other similar machines. It also leads the market for cores for a wide range of household consumer products. It supplies cardboard tubes to the main national manufacturers of aluminium foil, kitchen paper and transparent film among others, and has customers from the paper, textile and plastic industries. Mandriladora Leiza is also an example of a job well done and of how a medium-sized company is capable of competing in international markets. As a result of the internationalization process it is involved in, and given the fact that it's less than half an hour away from the French border, exportations have not ceased to grow over recent years, particularly within the European Union. The key to this growth is the company's interest in improvement, in offering a good product at competitive prices. Mandriladora Leiza understood that, as an SME, to keep one step ahead of the competition, its greatest resource lay in innovation and product and production system development. Thanks to this vision, it developed, among other things, a core machine with characteristics which make it unique. It is capable of cutting cardboard tubes, separating the residual cut at the end of the tube from the valid core. This means that customers are not subject to continuous interruptions on the production line and is reflected in greatly enhanced productivity rates at lower cost. In the same line, it's developing cardboard tubes with an interior diameter of less than 10 mm, a particularly delicate product which very few firms are able to offer. Mandriladora Leiza can produce cardboard tubes with interior diameters anywhere between 10 mm and 250 mm, to a minimum length of 5 mm. Of course, the thickness and strength of the core depends on the use the customer intends to put it to. Mandriladora Leiza's wide range of customers, each with varying requirements, has obliged the company to acquire the equipment needed in order to obtain and control the most critical production parameters, such as tube strength. Thanks to its new drying oven, the degree of humidity of the tube can be controlled, and an exact drying process can be performed, providing a specific thickness with the strength required. When the process is over and before dispatching the product, Mandriladora Leiza performs final tests which include measuring the strength of the core in kilonewtons. This emphasis on quality means that the company needs to use the most powerful, most modern machinery available on the market. Mandriladora Leiza has made important investments over the years in order to situate itself in international markets, in which its outstanding technical capacity and the dedication of its employees are highly valued. In 1999, the company implemented ISO 9001-2000 throughout its production system as part of the philosophy of quality, competitiveness and service, which it aims to apply to all of its departments. When an order arrives, the customer's real needs are analysed and a recommendation is made as to the most suitable solution, taking costs and technical parameters into consideration. Involved in a process of expansion practically since it started, Mandriladora Leiza currently occupies 3,500 square metres of the 9,000 square metres at its disposal. This should give some idea of the company's prospects for growth in the future, a future which it faces basing itself on the confidence which its customers demonstrate on a day-to-day basis, and on the capacity for adaptation and modernisation which has characterised the company over its more than 20-year history.